Razzle dazzle stazzle family. Camping Maiden Voyage.
Raccoon Creek State Park. What's up, guys? Hey, it's Emery. Today we just got our new camper, so we're gonna go camping for the first time with my little brother Ari.
There he is. Say hi, Mommy.
Hi. Where are we going?
Raccoon
Creek State Park. It's our maiden voyage. Here we go.
Bye.
Bye.
See you at the campground.
Crank it up, Mom. Ready to relax. Dinner's almost done. Ooh, that looks tasty. Time for s'mores.
You got chocolate hands? Yepper. Where you going?
Day 2 campers, rise and shine.
Sorry. You got donuts?
Yeah.
You got donuts? Good morning. Good morning.
Morning.
Are you still asleep? Good morning.
Let's get the morning started.
It is burned. I like it though. It gives it a good flavor.
That little bit of char on there is awesome.
Let me get your fork.
There's no way I'll like it.
What are your thoughts? This is your testimonial here. What was the best part? What do you rate it from a scale of 1 to 10?
9.
You rate it a 9, and why?
Wait, but how would it go? 10 being the worst?
10 being the best.
Yeah, then a 9.
Great. What was the most unique or fun experience that you had so far in day 1?
How cooking's different.
Cooking here, camping. Man, look at all the smoke over there. So, all right, you rated a 9 so far?
Did they just put out the fire?
Yeah. All right, ready to go have some fun today? Where are we going now? What are we doing today?
We're going to
Pittsburgh. We're doing the Pride Parade and coming back. We're going fishing, boating, swimming, all that stuff. All right, what do you say?
Hey, what's up, guys? We're at the Pride Parade in downtown Pittsburgh. Let's go take a walk. feeling hydrated. Who wants some water?
Where are we at? Where are we at?
We're at the beach.
You ready to go swimming?
Yeah! I am not laying next to that.
All right, man. Thanks for coming out.
Uncle Cubby being silly.
Best experiences you've had in the past couple days camping.
Hey man, my name is Donnie Baker, and this is the best camping experience I've ever had, because a camper like this just doesn't come around every single day, all right? This thing had all the features, it was hooked up nice and good, we had it all leveled out. Now I wouldn't recommend using the iron end just to make a fire bologna sandwich. The thing came out a little bit gamey to me, but past all the other things, it was a great experience. I definitely would do it again.
Alright guys, it's day 3 of camping. We're fishing right now. See if I can catch something.
Who you with, man?
I'm with my friend Heath.
Heath, say hi, man. Where are you from, Heath?
Shaker Heights, Ohio.
Shaker Heights, Ohio in the house. All right, and Mommy's over there getting the reels and the rods ready. We gonna catch anything today, guys?
Catching dinner.
Catching dinner? All right. Let me see you pulling a big one. What happened? Yeah, did you cross lines? What do the Ghostbusters tell you? Never cross streams, right? Okay, so just like Ghostbusters, Fishbusters, never cross lines. All right, because this is what happens. Catastrophe. Let's see if Mommy can work magic. Looks like it's happening. Fingers crossed.
On a pontoon boat.
Ready for some fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, Mommy?
Woo.
We're gonna go fishing? We didn't catch any out on the dock. We're gonna catch some now? I hope so. Good luck. Peace.
Got a fish? I don't think it's big enough to eat. Just a baby.
Oh!
Where did it go?
I saw it for a second.
There. That's a bluegill? No, that's a sunfish.
Yep. Put it next to you. Yay! Get next to Mommy. Awesome. All right, get Heath in there. Heath, give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumb up. Nice. Way to go. All right, let's catch some more, guys.
That's a sunfish. Oh, another big one. Yeah.
Go ahead, throw them in. All right, guys, what'd you think? Did you have fun? Yeah, what was the best part? Caught the only fish. I agree. Too bad we didn't have more time. But until next time, say peace. Nice. All right, guys. guys, what's the best way to end a boating excursion?
Ice cream!
Yum!
Raccoon Creek State Park. Our maiden voyage. That's a wrap. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace.